Everyone thought DJI was about to break the rules with their next drone, but it turns out they just rewrote them. For months, the buzz was that the DJI Mini 5 Pro would cross the dreaded 250-gram line, the limit that keeps you free from licensing and registration headaches in many countries. Once you go over, it's all forms, fees, and restrictions. Stay under, and you can just take off and fly. With talk of a 1-inch sensor, Lidar obstacle avoidance, more cameras, and a more powerful processor, it seemed impossible for DJI to keep the weight down. But against all odds, they did, packing pro-level hardware into a body that's still classed as sub-250 gram. This was confirmed thanks to sharp-eyed Jasper Ellens via Drone XL, who spotted the CZ-class sticker in leaked images. It's the same kind of magic we've seen from Insta3, cramming huge capabilities into a tiny frame. Why does this matter? Up until now, if you wanted a 1-inch camera, you were looking at drones weighing over 500 grams, meaning more rules to follow. But the Mini 5 Pro delivers that sensor in a lighter body, plus LiDAR for night, fog, and tricky landings. The gimbal can rotate up to 330 turg, unlocking cinematic shots you'd normally need a heavier drone for. There are hardware tweaks too, new prop designs for quieter, more efficient flight, quick launch features that turn the drone on when unfolded, and a side button for takeoff without touching the controller. Camera specs? A 1-inch sensor, 24mm lens, f1.8 aperture, 4K at 120 FPS, and a 48mm crop mode for cinematic close-ups without losing detail. Battery life comes in at 36 minutes, which is solid given the extra tech on board. And with full omnidirectional obstacle sensing, it can track you running, cycling, or skating without losing lock. It's not in stores yet. Leaks point to a late September reveal, possibly around 900. But DJI isn't the only one making moves. Insta3 is stepping into the drone game on August 14, 2025, with their anti-gravity, the first sub-2049 gram drone to shoot 8K 360 video, built for beginners, travelers, and creators. With DJI facing US market challenges, Insta3 might just be aiming to steal the spotlight.